tell us a little bit about your geographical focus areas and specifically how I know you have a huge center in Hyderabad. How important is India in your scheme?
Well, let me begin with the second question. India is at the heart of Novartis in the organization. So much of what happens at Novartis, almost everything we do, runs through our Hyderabad corporate center. And that's been an evolution. I mean, we started in 2005 with just a very small footprint. But what we consistently discovered over time is the talent is outstanding. The passion and the commitment is extraordinarily high. And you go there, whenever I go there, I was just there a few weeks ago, I'm always inspired by so much energy and desire to contribute to Novartis's goal to reimagine medicine. So that will remain, I think, critical to our long-term success. Broadly speaking, within the pharmaceutical industry, four markets tend to dominate the global market, and that's US, China, Germany, and Japan, with other markets in Europe and Brazil also becoming, quite significant. And those would be, I think, the 10 largest markets. India is coming up, but still, I think it takes time to probably have an ecosystem that can take on more high-end innovation. I do think that the recent moves and investments to create a national healthcare insurance scheme, further investments in fundamental healthcare infrastructure, I believe over time that will allow India to become a place where high-end medicines, cutting-edge medicines will be more or introduced much earlier in their life cycle, and that could make the market much more attractive over time. I think critical to that will be maintaining a very attractive intellectual property landscape and also a very attractive landscape for talent, because I think what India's greatest asset is the incredible people.
One of the criticisms that has often been levied at leveled at global corporations is that when they come to India, their development centers don't seem to be doing high-end work. So in your case, what kind of work do you do in Hyderabad? Are there actually components of your drug discovery that are happening there?
Yeah, so this one, I feel a great deal of pride with what we've been able to build in Hyderabad over that long period of investment. So when I say our core development activities happen in Hyderabad, we run 400 to 500 clinical trials a year around the world. And the data for all of those medicines is analyzed in Hyderabad. The statistics and statistical programming, the data management, all happens in Hyderabad. Alongside that, in Genome Valley, a little bit north of where our Hyderabad center is, all of the batch release for technical development, which is the kind of technical characterization of our medicines before they go into clinical trials, happens in Hyderabad. AI, all of our AI work, a lot of our AI work, fundamental AI work is happening in Hyderabad. So I think we've over time been able to actually broaden our base of activities to some of the most leading edge areas that we work in. Now, I think down the line, the opportunity will be, can we do more fundamental research work? I'd say the next avenue for us is to ask what elements of fundamental basic science research we might be able to move to our centers in India over time. But I would say everywhere else in our value chain where there is high value, high contribution work that needs to happen, it's touching our Hyderabad center.